only 6 o'clock in the morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes into boarding, feels like I'm about to explode.
Why, hello there. How you doing, Sydney?
Good.
So my name's Kelsey. Explain to me, what are you doing sitting out here in this funny looking harness here?
Skydiving?
Yeah, we are. We're going to jump out of an airplane. Have you ever done it before?
No, I haven't.
So why are you doing this today?
It was my birthday.
It's actually the work release program that I got into. Oh, I'm sorry, you're talking about her.
When was your birthday?
Yesterday.
Oh, well, happy birthday! So, it's your first time.
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Very.
All right. How about you, buddy?
That last one.
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
You win some, you lose some.
Why? So is this something you want to do for a long time?
I hope so.
What do you mean you hope so?
Well,
That's a yes or
hopefully-
You want to do it again?
Oh yeah, if I survive.
Yeah.
You want
if
to
we
do it
survive.
for a long.
I'm out. Hey, can I trade?
Who'd you come out here with?
Tyler, and then Molly, and Skip.
All right, we got a good crew. Our
Yeah.
plane's landing. The skies are blue. Anything you want to say before we go? Yay!
Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the
That's good, man. You had a good time.
What'd you
my
think?
She's a fly girl.
Crazy.
You good?
Oh my god, yeah,
You're gonna stay here, enjoy it down here. There we go. Okay.
Okay, I'm good.
You good? Happy birthday.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah.
It's not my fault that she doesn't make it to the next one, right?
Oh my goodness.
That was better than you thought, huh?
Oh, it was ridiculous.
Nice job, Sid. Welcome to the sky. Happy
Fly girl,
birthday.
happy birthday.
Yeah, smile.
Nice.
All right, congratulations. Thanks for coming to see us in Rochelle.